Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn the 4 quick ways to close Safari tabs on iPhone and iPad. It's always better to close tabs when they are not in use, else they will remain active in the background, eating into the battery life unnecessarily. If you fail to take the needed action proactively, a ton of open tabs will slow down your browser and gobble up plenty of precious data. Not just that, they may even expose your private browsing, thereby leaving you deeply embarrassed. Fortunately, there are multiple ways to close Safari tabs on iPhone and iPad, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. That said, let's jump right in. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, I'm going to show you how to close specific Safari tabs on your iPhone and iPad. To get started, open Safari on your device and then tap on the tabs icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now find the tab that you want to get rid of and then hit the X button at the top right corner to close the tab. Then I'm going to show you how to close the currently open Safari tab on your iPhone and iPad. If you want to close the currently open tab, simply touch and hold or long press the tabs icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and hit close this tab in the menu and you are good to go. Next, I'm going to show you how to manually close all Safari tabs on your iPhone and iPad. If you ever want to remove all open tabs in a jiffy, follow the steps along with me. To get going, simply open Safari on your device and then long press the tabs icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and hit the red close all X tabs in the menu and you are all set. And finally, I'm going to show you how to automatically close all Safari tabs on your iPhone or iPad. If you often forget to close tabs manually, then automatic method should be the preferred way to go. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, scroll down and select Safari. Then tap on Close Tabs. And after that, choose after 1 day, after 1 week, or after 1 month, depending on your needs, and you are good to go. From now onwards, all your Safari tabs will be automatically removed after the stipulated time, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily close Safari tabs on your iPhone and iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.